Welcome back. I'm Matthew. This is my channel, and today we're going to do another shave video. Start off with, I'm going to talk about the brush that I'm going to be using, and this is the Simpsons T3 brush, and it is the 26mm synthetic knot, not to be confused with the Simpsons T2. They look the same. When you got them side by side, you can see this knot, even though it's 2mm difference, it's quite a bit of difference in size. I'm going to go ahead and get that thing soaking. You don't have to soak it, but I soak them. I'm used to boar brush. And I'm going to be using the Stirling Mentholated pre-shave soap. It does come in the box that the bath soap is, but this one's pre-shave. So I'm going to give this a try. This is the first time I've used this soap. I've used the standard one, so we'll see how the mentholated one does. We got a couple of days worth of growth here. You can smell the menthol. It's not too heavy. Can you believe it's Sunday already? Weekend flies by. Just gonna kind of gently wipe that off. I don't feel any menthol kicking in yet, but it may be here pretty soon. The soap I'm going to be using today is Stirling soap. This is a new release. It is the Waves of Grain. And this is a sample. I just put it in an old Dove's container. Man, that smells really nice. It's a clean scent. Let's see. I would almost imagine it to be I was walking through a prairie in tall barley and just a fresh breeze coming by. I'll put a description of the scent profile right there. I do have in my 3D printed bowl that I did the soap. Go ahead and shake out the water. Start lathering it up here. Try not to hit the bowl like I usually do. Need to add some water. This brush covers your face pretty well, since it's got the larger knot in it. Might add just a little bit more water in there. One nice thing about this bowl is in the bottom, it's got the little ribs in there, but where you put the soap, it's kind of nice that you can look down in there and see, you know, how well the job you're doing lathering it. If you're using a solid bowl, sometimes it wants to push that soap around and it starts hiding underneath the lather. I'm going to do a different order here of what I do sometimes, and just change it up. You know, routine is nice, but when you're trying to keep viewers, you don't want to do the same thing over and over. Looks good to me. Man, I got this soap, I want to say it was last week. I can't remember now, the time flies by. Anyway, I got it in, smelled it, and I liked it. And I ordered some more. I ordered the aftershave to go with it, and it hasn't arrived yet. They're usually pretty quick on getting stuff sent out, but I know with doing a drop, there's probably a bunch of orders, so it's just one of those things you gotta wait patiently. And you know how it is with this hobby. It's like Christmas time whenever you're sitting there and you're like, I want that right now. I can't wait. All right, so the razor I'm going to be using is the Baby Futur. This is what Kevy Shaves called it. And I'll put a picture right here of the real name because I'm not even going to try. Anyway, you just pop that top cap off. It's got some magnets in there. I'm going to be using the Gillette Silver Blue blade. Second use. And that cap just sits right on there. Those magnets are pretty stout. I'm going to be using setting 4. Go ahead and warm that razor up. No problem mowing right through it. Cleans out pretty decent. Got my hair cut like I told you guys in the last video. Have you guys ordered anything new, expecting any goodies in the mail? I ordered that, excuse me, that Yaki, I think they call it the roster or the raster. Man, it's over a month now. And supposedly it's sitting in Miami. And it's similar to the Blackland Vector. I've been really excited to get it to try it out, but I'm just gonna have to be patient. This blade performs flawlessly, like always. Definitely not a one-pass razor, especially on setting 4, but it did knock down quite a bit. That soap is very slick. I don't know if I've ever put the ingredients for that soap. I'll put it right here if you're interested in reading to see what all's in there, but it is a tallow-based soap, and I do like the tallow-based soaps. They seem to be very slick. There's just something about them. I do use some of the vegan soaps, and they do lather well. Call me old school, I guess, but I do like the tallow. Still quite a bit of lather. I don't know if I can get any. Let's see here. We're only doing 2 passes, so let's see what is left in that knot. Plenty. Nice and thick. Try to get that off my hands again. I was thinking about dialing this down. I think I'm just going to stay right with it. Go across the grain. You can definitely hear the blade, the way that it's clamped in there is a little bit different than the other razor, so you can definitely hear it singing a little bit more. Off camera here, I got a bowl full of cold water. I can do a cold water rinse. You know, as I'm sitting here shaving and I'm thinking about it, didn't really feel too much menthol in that pre-shave. Still don't really feel anything kicking in, but you could smell it. And it may just be that it's a little bit deeper into that bar. Since that's the first time using it, it might take a little while to get it out. The scent on that soap is, you know, not real strong. Excellent smelling. I'm gonna do a little ice cube here. Very nice. I like that. I like it. Get the old pink black sheep. Mama still hasn't used this. I don't know why, but maybe because she hasn't taken it out of my cold dead hands. Just teasing. All right, and so since I don't have the matching splash, I will use the Unscented here by Stirling. Can't wait for that other package to come in. Can feel the menthol in that. Oh yeah. Daddy likes. And we are going to use some star jelly. Has anybody tried the star jelly yet? Well, if you guys have made it this far and you enjoyed the content, please subscribe. I have had several new subscribers. Welcome. Thank you. I appreciate it. If it wasn't for you guys, I would just be doing these videos for myself. So I do appreciate it. And if you guys like what I'm doing here, comment, let me know. Is there something else you'd like for me to try out? Had a great shave today. Excellent. Oh yeah. Nice and smooth. Excellent smell. If you guys would like to try this, let me know. If you've heard anybody use it. Stirling is very good company. If you guys have tried their soap, you know what I'm talking about. Have a good one.